Yes, good evening. Can you hear me? Yes, good evening. Can you hear me? Lim, yeah, good evening. So, can you hear me? Give me one in the chat room so we can continue our live later on. Yeah, yes, hopefully the line is stable. So I need to hold the. Yeah, welcome to my channel. So continue to. Okay, only few of you inside the chat room. So those who not sure, you don't know when is the live. So my apologize. So I just try the live is it still okay or not, and yeah. Okay, let us start a little bit. So on the market later on, yeah. So for those who just joined, so welcome to my live channel. So this is the still on the same platform. So this is the double volume bullish channel. So try to get you a very good step how you actually can do better in your trading. So day to day, I will update some of the uh, news or method how actually you can do better in your daily trading. So of course now we are talking about the what is the next sector. So after finishing not finish about to end of the strong glove counter. So the next one actually what is the next sector we want to talk about. So today basically cover about how actually you can know that the next sector or you still want to continue doing healthcare, still can. So, or you want to switch to maybe the next sector is technology. So for those who just joined me, not many of you, so those who don't know, not following or not putting my channel as your favorite, or you don't put on the notification, hope to do so. So we go straight away to the sector. So first of all, we look into the what call that the Bursa first. So what happened to the our Bursa Malaysia index? So that's important. So look into the chart that we have now. So this is a Bursa Malaysia. So I put it over here. So you can see that the Bursa Malaysia. So this is the line that I have been posting in the past, I think. So you can see that this is the support. So you can see that the line that I draw before Friday, I think. So this is a support. So if we're talking about the support here, so Friday close with one doji. So that's mean what? That's mean you have to be really hope the market to be rebound now. So the question now is if the market is rebound from this area to this area. So what is the which sector actually give you a power to push up? This is the thing that you have to know, is it? So you cannot wait for the sector to go until here, the index to go until here. So only you go to find the sector. So that is too late. So that is mean that the stock actually already outperform both sector and the KLCI. So that's how you actually look into the trading method, you see. So now the KLCI is weak, so the sector actually is a bit performing. So and then the stock actually is already performed already, the stock. Okay, the stock already overperformed. So my writing is not very clear, so hopefully you can understand. Okay, we're talking about the line here. So it probably what we can focus here is the 1374. So rebound until 1399. So it crossed to 1004 before hitting to 141516 and this time. So how actually you should look into which sector actually you want to tap in. So here I use trading view. So you can use any platform, yeah. So I use trading view here for you to for those who not used to it, you can use it. Okay, you see sector here. So first of all, I don't put any sector. I don't put any sector first because here I put all the sector here, so I put any. So I put any sector and then I go see what happened to the candidate that in the list here. So what you need to do is you can just do by your preference, or of course you can use by the volume. So we can see which counter actually give you a most higher volume. So meaning that the money already put into to this counter, you see. So like this is construction industry, manufacturing, and then southern score builder, and then plantation, and a bit here and there. So you can see that. So what you need to do is you need to do analysis by using all these things, you see. So which one actually in here already. So that is how actually you can derive which sector actually give you a more opportunity comparing to others. Okay, this first. The overview of the market. The overview of the whole Malaysia market. So this is first thing. Secondly, you can go to the technical rating. Which one actually give you a more outperform. So probably this one I put here. So I put here. So you can see that we have Gamuda, we have a mixture of power root and all these things. So giving you different sectors on this thing. So therefore very hard for traders to know which sector actually the next one should be outperform. Okay. Okay, for those who just joined, so would you like to just say hi? Okay, so I don't know who is not joined, who is joined, so you can just put in extra, not inside the, just time in one into the chat room. So otherwise it's very boring, is it? Okay, very boring. Okay, after that you can go in. We can go into the sector, in the sector that you want to go in, or industry you want to go in. Here, many of them. So, for example, we just pick one or a few of them. Yeah. So you can see that here actually they split out for you. Different type of the what we call it, the industry. So here also you have the sector. If you're talking about the sector, you can choose here. For example, now we're talking about technology. So let me pick healthcare. I want to see healthcare technology related to healthcare. So I want to with the services and all these things, so I put it here. So these two is a main criteria that we can put at electronic technical as well. So the first thing. Secondly, industry. So I can put it any industry. You want, you are going to zoom in, it is better. So if you know, you zoom in. Okay, if you don't know, you just put it in the wide range of the candidate. Okay, Mr. Wong, Dr. Wong. Okay, good evening. Yeah, so okay, you can see that if I put in here, so you can see that okay, we have how many candidates here? 26 match my category. So you can again, you can set your category as you want. So what is the average volume for 10 days or the 60 days, or I said here is moving average 5 days below the price. That means that the line is below the price. The candlestick shoot up the candlestick. Okay, the candlestick not red color, green color, sitting on the above the average line. So that's a category that I put in at the moment. So, and then the market capitalize I want to put in. Otherwise, you can just blank it, no problem. And then the price is more than 20 cents, so I put it here. So what you can do is the price you can just put into between, about 20 cent, 20 cent to $10 in between. Okay, so I try to put in, but okay, so 20 cent. So I put it more than 20 cent because it's not many lah. So we can just put it 20 cent, not an issue. Okay, so you can choose whatever you want. Then you can zoom it to the detail that you like at this platform. So currently, I think they are touch up, and then you can zoom in whatever you want. So of course, you can put in the technical analysis that you're familiar with. For example, MACD. Even you are familiar with MACD, you can put in. So this is something that many time that I use, okay, for many years already. So since 2021, so they actually touch up all these things, so I try to do it. I think quite interesting. Yeah, so you have using MACD, you can use it MACD here. You also can reset whatever you want. Okay, so you also can put in the country code you want. If you want to do Malaysia market, you can just do it, or you want to use US, you can do it. Or for example, I do in China, I put in a Chinese stock. So that's how you derive from the Malaysia for 1000 stock. So you zoom into the sector that you want. Probably here is like 26 stock. So before you do your analysis on the which one you want to buy. Okay, is it clear? Clear? You give me a reply yes in the chat room. So for those who not join me, they are missing in action already. So I don't know where is it. Okay. so never mind. So we continue. So after that, you can see that the this is the KLCI. So the next one we're talking about the Bursa Tech. Yeah. So so how it's come to Bursa Technology? So we can see that the Nasdaq is actually doing well. So of course following by the Nasdaq. Okay, this is the technology index. Okay, for example, this is technology index. So you can see, yeah, Chen Xihuang. So what happened is the this is the bottom. So as long as this is the bottom, so actually I can add on the how you call it, the add on the Bursa here as well. If I want to put in Bursa here also, I can. Okay, I can put double index here. So I can put in the Bursa here. So you can see the Bursa actually is down. So the Bursa is down, but the tech is going up. Okay, the technology is going up. Otherwise, you can change it, the indicator to the line, so you can see clearer. Okay, so it's clear. So clear sky. Yeah? So I just clear the BBI line. So you can see that the two line, the blue represent the technology, and this what we call it, this peach color we represent the KLCI. So it's quite easy for you to actually in the overview to recognize that, okay, which one is stronger to which one. So can you reply me which is stronger now? So is it the technology stronger or the KLCI is stronger? So if the technology is stronger, you just reply me blue color. Otherwise, you put it a bit of chocolate color. Yeah. So I don't know which. Maybe I go change this color. Change to the thing that we can easy for us to recognize. Okay, red color. Okay. So yeah. So anyone want to reply? So I hope you can understand. Yeah. So hopefully you can understand. Okay, technology. Okay, so if you think that technology is stronger, so we put it the technology back here, so you can see that the technology actually open as the higher low here now. So there is higher low position at this area, so we can foresee that technology may be push up to this resistance level at this area. So if the text is going to push here, so that means that the KOCI will follow this way. So this is the first thing that you have to be identified first in your trading. So don't look into the indicator first, you see. So you have to make yourself clear which pool actually you want to jump in. Don't simply jump, you see. So we are talking about which pool actually you want to jump in first into the what we call it, the stock. Okay, so at the moment we can foresee that you want to do at the bottom fishing. So technology will be the probably the best sector that you can go in and find those stock into to do. So after that, I go to what we do is we actually sort it out a couple of them. So of course, many of them actually, some of them actually doing quite strong already now. So of course, those is outperform the market quite some time already, like SMRT. So actually, that is outperform the market for quite some time. So what you need to do now is from those lists of the 26, you got to find which one you want. For example, we just zoom in like Franken. Okay, Franken is one of the what we call it, the most stable stock in this category. So this Franken. So wait for me. So this is quite slow. So not as smooth as what we have in the past. So it's a bit slow. Okay, so hopefully everyone can understand this is a bit slow. Yeah. So after a few try of the Franklin, okay, the higher low are still sitting on the support. Okay, at the moment you can go to do your technical analysis already. So this is a good chance for you to do your analysis, whether you want to use box, you want to use line, you want to use indicator, that doesn't matter to me. Okay, because anything for yourself to do. For example, I tend to use this MACD here. Okay, Franken. Okay, because I don't confuse using others. Okay, so for example, it's quite slow. Okay, so otherwise I can use here, no problem. So this is the lower part. This is the upper part. So you want to do this stock, for example, you want to really look into the smallest chart on this stock. So you can see that this is a chart that you will look into it. So this is the position that it should be break out before you buy. Okay, you bought this area, then the price will shoot up somewhere here before hitting the gap here. You can see the gap here. EBS tell me this is a gap, so you can see this is a gap. So your eyes need to be sharp when you do stock market. So don't just look into the area that at the moment. So today we were talking about the one of the pattern that you should use in the stock market. We're talking about the candlestick, whether it's green or red, not an issue. So after that we have the testing of the resistance area. You can see this candlestick. Okay, I like to use the gap up. I like to use the double volume candlestick to do this. Okay, you can see here some of the the candlestick that I use. Okay, there's a blue color. You will see that probably this is a double volume. So I put it into a testing on the blue color. So if this is the blue color, this means that the price in the future must be break out this position before that you can have a confirmation to buy. Okay, for example here, so you have the I have the hollow here. Hollow is also double volume. So this hollow. So you can see that here is a hollow one, so it's tested this bottom. So the tested at the bottom, as long this is area until here, so you know that, okay, the price should be moving around here. Okay, so we have know that we have understand that the price should be moving here. Okay, you want to do at the bottom, you have to know that from here bottom to hit the bar here. So this is the area of value that you should get in from this area. So we call it area of value. So hopefully everyone understand. So this is the area of value you should get when you're investing in this stock. Okay, so why we're talking about how to do it, the know-how. So if you want to do this this type of method, so you know that the sector is confident, we have a confidence in the sector before we put in the money here. Okay, so this is the first thing. So the other thing that probably in the past we not cover so much on that, so you have to look into the bottom here. Okay, you look into the bottom, something like dividend, something that the report earning coming up. So normally the report earning are coming up, the fundamental side will push the price up. Okay, so the dividend is here, announce the earning is here. Okay, so this is the earning. So if you're talking about this type of the pattern, so we are talking about still a long time to go lah, franken. Okay, before the earning. Okay, so the price might be sideways or going down a little bit before the announce of earning. You see the announce of earning here, and then only shoot up. The announce of earning here, they shoot up. The announce, okay, this is late. So after the before that, there's a earning here, they shoot up. So earning here, they shoot up. So that means you have a very high probability that you have to wait for a while more for this stock. Okay, we pick few more, so we don't do many. For example, Infomina. So I talking about Infomina in the past few days. So you can see that the same thing happened here. So we have the blue color double volume here. So at this moment, so we're talking about here. So okay, so actually the price is tested this area. So you should buy when the price sitting here. You want to buy at the support level. So when which area that the price should be stopped, you can see that the price stops somewhere at the top here. So is it accurate? Yeah, it's not difficult, right? When you do stock market, right? So the technology stock is okay, and then you will look into this, and then you buy in here, and then until here. So how much actually you make? So you can see that we just do a very simple method. Actually, you're making about 14% in the at bar. So that's mean at days. Okay, so no need to sit down and look into the candlestick all the time. Yeah. So this is how you should learn more on how to do adjustment before you put in the money into any stock. Okay, there's a category that we're talking about how you want to do it better in your trading. You see, so you can look into the list here. So I don't want to jump so many, so we pick one more, like which one? Okay, we pick one more. Jeff Tech, okay, those are big boss in the technology. Yeah, so we pick the big one to talk about this this time. So it's the same happen to what we call it, the JF Tech. So JF Tech, you can see that this is tested so many times here. So as what I said, you want to buy this stock. This is tested and then sitting on the top here, then you buy at this candlestick, no problem. Okay, so tested at which area? Tested at the hollow here. Okay, this is the hollow one, so they tested at the area somewhere here. Okay, so at the moment you want to buy this stock, it's not a good option to you to put in the money here. So you can see that. So what you need to do is you actually need to really understand how is the stock market work. Okay, for example, this down and then earning is here and then push out, and then down earning is here, doesn't push out, and then the earning is here, they push out. So that means that you have to do, you know that how actually the earning report that give you a confidence that the price should be shoot up after that. Okay, so you can use earning, you can use dividend. Dividend normally is the downtrend. So you can see that if you buy price here, so hopefully everyone understand. So you want to buy now, for example. Okay, example. So if the D is here, so probably the price is going down already. You can see all the D, the price is going down. They want to give you dividend, then give you the price increase. I think it's not fair for the company. You see? So this is dividend, and then the price went down. So you can see this is down also. Okay, the price is down. So they give you a dividend, the price. Every time they give you a dividend, the price show down. So that you have to do, you have to know, right? So the price is down. So either you want to do at the earning or you want to leave before the dividend. So when is the next dividend? You have to pull, then this is the earning. There's no dividend in between. So it probably from here to here, there will be one of the increasing the what we call it, the wave. So that's how you make money in the stock market. Okay. Besides using the indicator, of course you use indicator, you get a more accurate on the testing. Okay, so let's go see another one, SMRT. So easier for you to see that SMRT actually doing quite well. I hope everyone that in the chat room here, and then you can follow, you make money. Okay, so you see so this is the secret if you want to know that earning, but you buy it doesn't make money. After that, the earning announced, here you buy, make money. This one earning also you buy, you make money. How you buy in, this is very important. Okay, so I'm waiting for the blue blue candle to come out. Okay, so you see, if the earning is coming up here, so the earning report is here. If not confident to buy, you wait for the blue color to come out here. So the blue color candle is come out here. So after that, sitting above here, then you buy. So same to this this guy. So where's the blue color? Is somewhere here. So after that, the earning come out, you buy. So you make here, you make money. Okay. So you need something that you can what we call it, the to help you to what we call it, to double confirm your entry, is it? So this is one of them. So what I need to teach you is you have to look into the with the what we call it, the testing, the width, the candlestick with the width, the long width. Okay, on the top. Okay, on the top, but you buy at the price sitting above the crossing. Okay, the cross price, not on the higher price, on the cross price. Okay, everyone understand, you just type in enter with the future price sitting on the above the cross price of this this category. Okay, for example, this one, you want to buy, actually this is buying here. So but this buying is not really good. If you buy, of course the stop loss is here you still safe, you see. You buy here, you still safe one. So it's a bit long long time already. The time is a bit long, so that's how you make yourself in the stock market. Okay, so let us see the healthcare healthcare KL healthcare. So what happened to healthcare? And many people ask me because I'm traveling, so very sorry. So maybe you cannot get me. I don't reply you. many reception, so during the traveling. So hopefully you can understand that. Okay, so you learn how to do it, and then you should do it by yourself. So this is easier. Okay, so you can see that this is a healthcare index. So whether the healthcare is N, it's very hard to say. Okay, so if by technically we can see that the healthcare is still there. So if you're talking like this line, so healthcare still there. So by Monday push up, then we'll be try to break out again. So this is a healthcare. So by Monday, if the KLCI is doing well, so probably you can see a couple of the stock, the sector also push it up. Okay, so this is something that you can look into in the bigger picture before you jump into the individual stock. For example, we're talking about the top group. Okay, who still holding the top group? Okay, you think top group still doing well? Okay, you have to do some estimation. So you have to do some forecast before you actually know the sector whether it's doing well or your stock is doing well. Okay, for those who just joined, welcome to my channel. So something that very interesting and something that I never talked to you in the past. You maybe not selfish, yeah, but it's something that we have very hard to tell you everything in one day lah. That's the answer lah. Yeah. So I not gonna tell you say I don't want to share with you, but I like to share with you, but very hard to share with you everything in one day or in one position. You see Top Growth have a very consistent in the earning report. Okay, hello, so you still with me, so I many of them missing already, so I will teach you easier way to make money in the stock market. Okay, very easy. Okay, so it's okay, very easy. Okay, very easy way. Okay, how actually the stock market work? Okay, so okay, sorry, so I want to put this okay, so okay, I do like this. Okay, you see can you see, right? So what this mean? So every time the earning report come here, actually the top graph is shoot up, you see. So did I use any indicator? I didn't. Okay, you see, earning the price shoot up, then earning the price shoot up. That mean your top graph is the future is like this. Okay, so your top graph is future, this one going down so cannot draw so I try to draw with this one, cannot. So the future is like maybe going down a bit here, and then the report is some bit here, and then probably hitting somewhere here lah. So I don't do what we call that, the thorough analysis. You can do yourself, yeah. So when the price end here and the price shoot up. Okay, this is in the future. Okay, not I talking about what happened in the past, yeah. So this is the past, yeah. So this is the past. Okay, this is the past, but this is the future. So you can see that this is the time that actually for you, you want to do this counter, you still can wait. You wait for the swing. If swing lower in this, then gone lah, then gone cash. But this one increasing, definitely will be one more time. Definitely will be one more time, because this is the earning report on the next Friday. Okay, next Friday, so next Friday 16 is a earning report. So the following Monday, probably you have a better chance on the top group. Okay, you see. So this is what we call it, the liquidity in the top group. So every time earning, they want to shoot up a little bit. This is earning, they also want to shoot up a little bit. So you have to make yourself do some analysis, overview, and all this thing before you do stock market. So we're talking about Toggle, we're talking about Supermax as well. So my favorite two of them. Okay, so I can tell you my favorite stock for this round. I might change. Okay, I not stick to them all the time. So this is what I has been doing for quite some time. So almost from last October until now. So wait for a while, so it still swing change this one turning. Okay, so same happened to Supermax. Okay, Supermax also same, but the earning report come out, Supermax will be give you about a month to before the price shoot up, 1 month. Okay, so it's all 1 month. So this means that this is on the May, so probably on the June. Okay, probably on the June, yeah. So after that, dividend. So dividend meaning the price drop. So if we do estimation, if we do this type of estimation in the stock market, so you can see that the dividend day is here. Okay, so you can count how many candlesticks here, is it? So probably going up a little bit and go down, something like that. So this is the earning report. So it's still a very long time go. Okay, after dividend normally will go up a little bit lah. So after the dividend go down a little bit, so it go down again, so go up again. So that is a different trend comparing to the top graph. So let us go to see what happened. Okay, earning dividend down, earning no dividend, the price going up. So earning dividend going up. So the dividend show going down. So if you can see the dividend here, don't invest on this side of thing. So don't buy. So the dividend is here. Then if you want to buy here, don't buy. So hopefully everyone understand. Yeah. So this is the earning report. So this is very easy for you actually making some judgment which stock actually want to buy, is it? For example here, this is the top part, okay, at the moment. Okay, so this is also the hollow one, so at the moment. So this is the hollow one, testers at the bottom. So you know, okay, when you draw this one, you already know already. So the price hitting here, there's a support here. If this is a strong support, so dividend is when, so you can see that dividend day is here. So you just count So on the 23rd, okay, 23rd. So still got so many days to go. So probably you have still the chance. Okay, so next Monday you have about 5-7 days to trade. Okay, for Monday until the following Friday. If continue drop, there will be waiting for the earning for the quite some time. So this almost August already. So 2 months time for me, I won't wait. I will jump to another sector already. Okay, everyone understand? Give me a time up two or the two reply two in the chat room. So not many of you following moderation for so long. So I hope everyone make money. So this stock I has been talking about this particular stock for maybe half a year. Okay, not today. So half a year. So I don't want to maybe many people later jump and tell me, oh, this price up already, and you tell. So actually you follow my previous class, I already said this is the quite slow. So I make it slow. So in the past I have been talking about one Barely you are here. So we are talking about a very important thing that you want to do at the bottom. So first of all, you have to know that what is the bottom you're talking about. Okay, the price going down from the top to the bottom, that's called bottom. For example here, this price is like $3, you see. 3 ringgit drop until the lowest, I think is 115. I think the lowest is about 115. 110 is the lowest. So is it enough or not? I want to ask you guys. Okay, ask everyone here. So 3 ringgit. The price drop until 110. Not how many time actually the price drop. This is the thing that you have to be consider. Okay, if the price drops so much by 20 cent increase to 40 cent, I think it's easy, right? So very easy, right? So this give you 100% room to make money. You don't want. So so did I need any indicator to tell me to buy stock? No, I didn't. Okay, if I use volume to buy, so this is the volume that I buy. Okay, at this time I buy maybe like a bit high lah. This is maybe buy about 2.20 cents. So at the moment it's about 30 cents. So I still make 50%. I still make 50% from the trading, you see. So you can see that if you use this to trade, you see this is the price. So to this day, if you buy, you still certainly make money. But this is not below beyond 20 cents. So normally I don't do. So this is a weak chart because the sound very slow. So I didn't change it. So this is day chart. So day chart is more easier. So why I call it more easy is this a blue color. So this is a cross price, actually gap up here can buy, but I didn't buy because the price is too cheap. So I don't buy that cheap at the time. More than 10 time you know more than 10 time so more than 10 time make 100% is easier. Yeah, so this is what you call that you have to have certain technique to identify the market. So this is testing this is definitely testing the previous resistance at this level. So this is testing. This also testing, you see, testing the previous resistance at this level. So you can see that it's a testing. After that, this is a confirmation. So how to confirm? Go up, go down. This is a higher low and this is a confirmation. Okay, so at the bottom, at the top, and then you have the confirmation at the. Of course, you can use an indicator to buy. So any indicator you can buy. So when is the earning report? Very far away. So what happened before the earning report? All the price is down. before the earning report, you have to understand the stock. So you have, like you understand your partner like that, you see. So you have to do a bit analysis on the what we call it, not analysis. You have to go to think. Okay, sit down there, sit beside the seaside and go think, you see. So this is when this is December to from what we call it, the March. Oh, you know that. Okay, from December to March, this guy sure go up and go down. So it's depending when it's going up already. So if you see this, I want to test here. I test the market. If the price go up and then go down, so how to determine this price go to when? You can see that when you zoom down, quite slow. So the performance of the overseas internet is not that easy. So that's a conclusion. Okay, so you can see here is a gap. So I can tell you here is a gap. So this is a gap. So that means that you have to know that you estimate the price maybe go up to until 40 cent plus minus. So about here 330 to 40 cent. So if 330 to 40 cent, the price want to go up again is go to 50 cent. So by 50 cent, maybe the trend will be descending already. Okay, because want to hit the earning report before up again. Okay, so of course the price is going up and then go descending, maybe go until here $1 and then descending. So don't buy Monday if you miss the board, don't don't try to jump in again. Okay, this is a gap. So this is a gap, this is a gap, this is a high area tested at all this area. Still can hold. Okay, of course you buy, this is a hollow red color. So as long as this is a hollow red color, this is a tested on the top. Where is it? Okay, this is the question that you should. This is a hollow, so this is the tested on the top. So 340, you have to test. You test the market and the 340. So if 340 fail, so what you need to do, you take the money first. So 340 somewhere here, 340. So somewhere here, somewhere here. If fail, then you take money first. So before the price go up and go down. Okay, so you take money first. Okay, so you see every time I say already, when the price of the any individual stock is shoot up like more than 45 degree, it definitely will be the 15-minute test. This is a very important. So this candlestick is highly important in the future because this is the tested price that might be descending. Okay, you will see in the future the price go beyond this area and gone down. It break down this one, the price is going down before the earning report. Okay, so how to trade stock market? Actually, it's not difficult, is it? Very got difficult. So it's not that difficult when you want to. You have the what we call it, you know how in the stock market. So it's many different technique you learn too many, and then you don't know, you forgot about the core thing that you should go find something that inside here before you do your technical analysis. You should analyze the market, which guy actually give you a good chance to make money. Okay, for this type of stock, actually they are outperform the sector, and they actually outperform the KLCI and the sector. Okay, KLCI and sector. So you don't need to compare so many, you just compare the KLCI enough already. So this guy actually doing better to these two sector. So therefore you have the whole set of your analysis, what we call it, the summarize or your note, how you actually want to decide you want to invest in the Sarawak constellation. Okay, so the price of 110, so many people think that, oh, this is a very cheap stock already. So you remember, you need to go search. So Sarawak constellation is supported by the government's state government, so not easily dislisted from the KLCI. Yeah, so you have to familiar with the company, with the fundamental of the company itself before you want to make money. Okay, you want to be a company director, you cannot simply go in and as a director, right? You have to be understand whether this company making money and all these things before you buy in. As long as you bought in, you become the company director already. That's how easy it is. So this is thing that many people forgot. Actually, you are forgetting the basics rule of the investing in the stock market. This is very basic. Yeah. So doesn't need to be having many classes, many thing in hand. You just need one or two method that easily give you a very comfortable way to make money in the stock market. Two things that you have to be remember: how to buy in. Secondly, where actually the price end. For example, here this price it might be end in this box. Okay, you don't know these two things. Don't do stock market because it's very difficult. Okay, very difficult for you to do stock market. Okay, for example, this is helping you, this is helping you, this is helping you. All this indication is helping you. The problem with the traders now, for the past year two, I learning with all the trader that I met. So the main problem of the trader is just look into uh, indicator. You totally forgot about the market. Okay, you forgot the market. You just look into the indicator, but you totally forgot about the market. Okay, so remember, so whoever want to make money in the stock market, your key thing is you have to look for the stock that perform better than both of the sector and the stock the index. Yeah, so this is the key thing that you have to know. So after that, you have to look into which one give you opportunity, more room to make money. Okay, for this SCIB, give you more than 10 times. Yeah, so Lim said more than 10 times. Okay, at the moment it give you about 150%. Okay, more than 100%. Okay, you make 50%, that good enough. Okay, so don't be greedy. Yeah, so we just make about 50%, that good enough. So if you think that you want to try at the cheap stock, you should do somewhere here until here. Of course, you make a lot lah. So you make about 116 out of 150 lah, because the starting is from here. So from here, so starting is from here. So making about, actually shooting about more than 150% already. So so I don't think that everyone need to make so much in the trading. I make about 40-50%. Okay, that's all. Okay, stock market. Okay, hopefully everyone understand. So for those who just join, I want to end my live already, live class already. Okay. I try to do on the weekday, but if I'm not free, so I will change it to Saturday. Okay, so in the future, maybe on the Saturday night. All right. Okay, I give you time to ask your stock. For those who want to know what happened to your stock, you can start giving me a little bit of what is your code number? This is you give me the name in the chat room. Okay, so that's important. Yeah. So if not, nobody asks, then I have to end the class already. Okay, tomorrow I still need to travel. So I traveling. Okay, RGB. Okay, RGB interesting. Okay, RGB. So now people ask RGB. Okay, I tell you a secret of RGB. Yeah. RGB enter a 255. Then congratulations for you to make money. Then it's very easy for you. Okay. So first of all, RGB, I need to tell you something. So you have to very careful and go check your data. Okay. I'm not going to badmouth everyone. Okay. I just want to put it here, make you clear, crystal clear. You know what happened. Okay. Okay. Let the price go and move. So RGB. So here just now is RGB. So the stock move very slow. Okay. Not my. Okay. So you are using all online data. So everything is lower. So we have to look back a bit longer. So remember, when you have your, I don't know which platform you use. So you can see that this is the 2017. So yeah, so I can tell you this is 2017. So the higher price is 315. So you have to remember. So your stock, the higher price here is 315. So you better go check. So I don't want to tell you what happened. You go check back. The 2017, the higher price is 315. Okay. So the price there is 315. So I go change it to the day chart now. Okay. Hopefully you go back and check. Go study. So don't just look into your this one. Oh, I make money from 255 until now. Very happy. Okay. 255. So very happy. So you make a little bit money only. So the higher price 315. Don't get cheated. Okay. Okay. This is a day chart. Okay. So you just enter. So you just enter maybe a couple days ago. So I know that maybe you see this one 255 and then you put in your money in, and then you make a little bit now. Make a 2 bit or 1 bit. Okay. What happened to at the moment? So you just hold your stock. Okay, you see, still hold your stock. But this type of stock, you see, earning every day, earning one. You remember, this is the dividend. So when there is a dividend, you can see a dividend is like this. So so I don't want to scare you. So this is dividend. So this is also the dividend. Okay. So you have to remember. So we say that if you make money very close to dividend date. So this is a dividend date on the June 28th. So still a bit time for you to shoot up. Then make yourself clear. So here you should be going up to the next level, like somewhere here 285. So let let us be realistic. So we just go to the 285, 290, this one, because the gap is here. So the gap up is on the top here. Okay, 292928, this gap is here. So what happens is you just maintain at this level first. After that, shoot to the top here, 315. Okay, so 315. So you will look into your data later on. You don't blame me. So I go tell you first. So your data is wrong. Okay. So that's for 0037, yeah, RGB. Okay. So anyone else want to ask? For those who join, just join. Okay, just join. We want to end already. Nobody want to ask. Nobody ask. We finish. We will end our this one. Okay. Anyone want to ask? So you have to remember. So you have to go back and go check your data here. So because I just checked the data, the data is wrong. So probably you end your price to 0.2328 something like that. I don't know. 283 I think 283. So not 238. 0283 I think. At the higher also 2017. Okay, go check your data and you can let me know if you see your data is 283, then you have made a mistake. Your data making a mistake, not you lah. Huh? Your data making a mistake. Okay, 7113 still can buy. Lim, just now I said it is 7311. You never listen to class, Lim. Okay, that's how I say already. 71 this one. Toggle. Not buy lah. I think you are joining few class. I think Lim. So that's why you still ask me. So just like I said, every time we're talking about the earning of the, for those who just join. Okay, every time this stock near to the report of their earning, very near to the report earning. After that, shoot up. So the reporting is next Friday. Okay, the earning report is next Friday by June, end of period of May 23, and then the 16th of the reporting day. Okay, 16th of June. Okay, after that, what you need to do is you will see every time before this one they drop. So now you don't buy lah. So you wait for the next one, and then this is the tested at the hollow here one. I said already. So this is a tested here. So this is somewhere the price will drop until here lah. If it drop, if not it go up and also somewhere here. So the price should be descending before the earning. Okay. So that's the regularity of the stock growth after they make money. I cannot teach you everything, you see. I teach you everything. You are my enemy in the this stock market already. How I want to make money? Teacher can ask when is the Doji double volume then by next day high volume mean what? I ask when Doji double volume. What is Doji double volume? Next day high volume means what? Okay, I cannot really understand. Doji double volume. Next day high volume. Okay, if I interpret correctly, so okay, you're talking about this is the Doji double volume. So the next day is a high volume. If I interpret correctly, so the next day is high volume. So means what? Mean that today the market trading is no winning party. But I believe you look clearly, this length is different. The bottom width should be longer than the top part. Okay, A and B. A should be shorter than B. Okay, so therefore the next day high volume push up the price. If there's a push up, if go down, this one should be longer than the other way. Okay, so that's your question. The Li Jin Yi. Okay, so 4944 next leg. Okay, this stock already, so last time we talking about this already. Okay, NYSEX there's a gap on the price, so you have to be careful, extra careful with NYSEX, okay, with the gap. Okay, this is a gap somewhere here. Okay, they tested on this one is a second time, one time, two time maybe. So this is a third time. So wait for the candle to come in. Yeah. So wait for a while. Okay, so let me drink a bit. Drink first. So also you can see the regularity earning. So everyone know that now you know the secret of trading. Before earning, the price drop. Okay, so the data is still loading. So what happened to can hold? Yeah, definitely you can hold. Okay, even to hold this stock, you still can hold because this is the resistance. Yeah, so you tested at the resistance just nice on this level. Okay, this is the bottom, this is the top, so they tested here. So doesn't give you any problem to hold the stock somewhere here. Okay, if the price rebound, hopefully it's going to do it this one. If break out this line, take the money. Okay, just take the money and go. Okay, Janice asked me about revenue. Why people like the revenue one? I don't know why. You can hold. So you hold Sing when? Sing 2001. So how long you hold actually? You hold until now or what? So I don't know when you hold until now, like Janice. You hold from okay, revenue not moving already. Okay, revenue. I don't know when you buy or you hold. I don't know when you hold. That's why I ask you. You hold until Sing when? Sing 2011, 2001. So you hold until when? So the problem with the this type of stock is you know that first of all, we're still talking about this earning report. Yeah, so the earning report is over, increase a little bit. So probably you have a chance to go a little bit lah. So after they go down and go up again. So it doesn't seem you have a very good of the opportunity on this stock lah, because it's the whole thing is descending. Okay, so you hold from 80 cent until now. So normally where is your 10% discount? So 80 cent somewhere here. Why you want to buy revenue? You heard someone tell you revenue is good, and then you buy, right? So if you buy somewhere at the 80 cent, anything that 10% should just let go next time. Okay, this time no more already lah. So you buy this one 80 cent, for example here 80 cent buy, and then this drop, sell it off. They give you a few time to sell, is it? So you have your opportunity to sell, you have the opportunity to sell, but you don't want. Okay, your opportunity to sell. So it's very hard so very sad to see you learn so many years and then you still want to do holding all this thing until from here until holding like this. Okay, when to do this stock, then waiting for the sector to be better, or this stock is doing on the bottom. Okay, the bottom probably you can test every of the earning days. Okay, after earning day, if you have a chance, you test. After earning day, you have the chance to test. Why? because it's worth to test. I go tell you worth to test. 2 ringgit 40 cents, and then you look into which sector. Until now is 26 cents, so it's about 10 times. So it's quite similar to the Sarawak consideration. So it's worth to try lah. You want to try every of this one you try. With your technical analysis, yeah. Don't see E and then you just buy. Yeah. So that's different. So for example, this time you want to test. You know that this is the price that you have to break out before you buy. And then you buy, you see 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. This is our position, no buy lah. So no need to try lah. Why? Because it's too many resistance level, so no need to try. So this one, you see, if you buy this one, okay, for example here, this is the one of the resistance, okay. So this is the resistance. So this is the resistance, okay. So it's not too near. You want to try, you try. The next one also same, okay. If the price happen to be somewhere at this earning, so between here very difficult lah. I can see that, okay. Otherwise the price going up and sitting here, and then you try this, okay. Somewhere here lah. So you try this until somewhere here, okay. There's a room for you to test, enough room for you to test, okay. So Janice, remember, as long as you buy a stock at this type of position, this is your stop loss, okay. Can you promise yourself, not promise me, stop loss, if you don't know, this is a stop loss, okay. This is your breakout, this is your enter position, for example, okay. This is enter position, this is your stop loss, okay. I just do for goodwill here, not charging any money and all this thing, yeah. So hopefully everyone can put a comment on my YouTube, and then you can distribute my YouTube to your friend, okay. Hopefully there's no I don't monetize anything, yeah. I don't get money also, so hopefully I just share my knowledge, and that's all for tonight. So I just share knowledge, no call buy and call sell, but hopefully everyone understand what you should do in the stock market, okay. So you can put a like, you can use type a comment, you can share it to your friend, and hopefully we can get more people to join in the future. Okay, thank you and good night, and hope to see you another time, okay, next week.